Hey everybody, John from 5X Racing here again to show you our new custom airbag delete dash cover plates for the 94 through 97 Miatas. We're here from our race shop where we design, develop, build, maintain all of our race cars. So what we're highlighting here is the 94 through 97 Miata airbag delete plates, and I said this in the other video if you watch that first. These were products made by SP Induction Systems, which was a company that made Miata parts for a while, and they started discontinuing some of those items. So we jumped up and picked up a few of them, and one of them were the airbag delete plates, and we were happy to keep those going, and we wanted to improve what we could. They're already a good product. So basically we just got some better powder coating done and some better screws to mount them, and that was about it. And while we were doing that first batch, we decided to make some special edition plates that were fun for us, and we're sure some of y'all out there will enjoy these in your custom builds or race cars that have similar colors on the outside. So I'll show you those plates right now, starting with the original plate, which is just the matte black finish. And we didn't change anything on the design, so the only thing we could really improve on was the powder coating. And we think our powder coater is probably one of the best in the country. And what he does is an amazing job in general with the regular black. So we told him, hey, let's do something a little bit different with a couple of the other ones, and run wild on them and see what you come up with. So we're going to highlight what he came up with. The first one I'm going to show you is one I'm very excited about, and I don't know why, but this one just struck me as being super cool and like classic, retro looking. It's like a teal. It's a sparkle teal. It's a little hard to see, but it reminded me of something that would be on like an old vintage motorcycle or something. I don't know, but I just really like this color. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to include it in the sales because I don't know, I'd have to change the whole color scheme of my new car, and I would almost do it for this plate. I like it that much. This is a teal or somewhat Tiffany blue. It's hard to explain. It's a little bit darker in person than it is on the camera, but it's absolutely stunning. Next plate we're showing you is a Swirl Blue. It looks kind of pale in the video, but it's a pretty deep blue. It's a medium, almost has like a fluorescent tinge. And we're looking at these under fluorescent lights, so it'll change a little bit. Everything's going to show a little bit darker when you get it in your hands. It's kind of hard for me to get that depth with the camera and the angles and autofocus. I'm fighting that the whole time. So this is a Swirl Blue. It's a brilliant medium blue. It's not as pale as it looks in the video. And this plate is a really outlandish, outstanding, kind of punk style plate in my opinion, where it's a glitter purple and blue, and it's color shifting. You can see it goes from purple, as you go over it and change the angle, it goes to blue. This plate's really cool. When you have this plate in your hand and you tilt it, and you can see the color shift. It's awesome. It's like the old chameleon paint jobs of the late 90s. I don't know, 90s stuff's coming back, so this plate might be one of the most popular ones. Not sure if you're a trendsetter or a trend follower. We'll have to see. And here we have I wouldn't say glitter, but it's a metallic orange. It's hard to catch the metallic in this on video. I can see if I can do it. The autofocus fights me constantly. It's hard to see. It's very faint glitter, but it's like a burnt orange color. It's not red. It's not pure orange, but it's a deep orange. This is a really cool looking plate, and it's got a high gloss to it too. So it's got a nice depth of color to it, and the fluorescent lights are giving us a hell of a glare, so it's kind of hard to show you how kind of depth this plate has in its color. The last plate out there is for the ladies in our fan base, follower base, or customer base. This is a Swirl Pink, and it's not a deep gloss. It's a little bit of a matte clear, so it highlights the swirls underneath and it doesn't take over with the deep gloss. And it's a pale pink in the video. Like I said before, the video kind of pales things a little bit. Maybe I don't know my camera settings as well as I should, but it's a deeper color in person, and it's pretty cool. I like this color. So there we have all of our colors on the new 94 through 97 airbag plates, and like I said, we took over production of these, so they are produced by us and sold strictly by us. If you see them out there, you're only going to find this black. We're the only ones that are going to do these custom colors right now, and they're going to be limited. We're not sure what colors we're going to keep, and I guess you all will decide that. We'll see which ones sell the best and what's recommended or requested, and we'll go from there. We'll see what works and we'll see what's popular, and then we'll start offering something regular with color options. So thanks for watching.